Today, we're going to be talking about maximizing the impact of your live event video walls. I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through our most recent live event where we faced some unique production challenges. We recently wrapped up a live event produced by Strategic Media. This event presented us with some noteworthy production challenges. The most pressing challenge I would say for this event was making sure we maintained the aspect ratio of 17:5 for the videos we created for the video wall. And now you're thinking, how did we come up with that aspect ratio? Well, our client on this project had a special request, a video wall that visually spanned the stage, which was 40 feet across. To fulfill this requirement, we had to create a video wall that spanned across the majority of the stage. 36 feet of pure visual magic. However, we faced the additional challenge. The ballroom had a lower ceiling height than we were accustomed to, 16 feet. Typically, we work in ballrooms with ceiling heights of at least 20 feet and up to 30 feet plus. With only 16 feet of ceiling space and a stage that was 2 feet in height and 40 feet across, maintaining a 16:9 aspect ratio became a tricky task. We couldn't simply use the dimensions of a typical 16:9 video. Instead, we came up with a 17:5 aspect ratio. We adjusted all the content to fit this unusual ratio. Ultimately, the final video wall consisted of 6 panels in height and 21 panels in width, with an aspect ratio of 17:5. As you can imagine, this is a massive video wall. However, it did not start out this big when we first set it up. Overcoming challenges. As we began to set up the stage, we knew the video wall wasn't going to span the entire width of the stage, but would come close. After the wall was set up, we got some additional feedback from the client to make the screen even larger and more impressive. What you're looking at here is the final result. This is what we started with before adding more LED panels. We knew we could add additional LED panels to the sides of the screen, which was 2 more columns on each side, making the width of the screen 21 panels across. But that would have thrown off the aspect ratio of the videos. So during this process of thinking through what could be done with the screens, we discovered that we could elevate the wall slightly higher on the lifts without the chandeliers obstructing the view. This created space at the bottom of the screen, approximately the width of 1 panel. So by adding 1 more row to the bottom and adding 2 columns to either side of the screen, we were able to maintain the aspect ratio of 17:5 and span more of the stage than previously anticipated. The power of the aspect ratio. Now let's dive into the aspect ratio we employed during this event. Videos were shot by another company against a green screen, which allowed us to remove the background and seamlessly incorporate the content into the new aspect ratio. The result? A visually stunning display that brought the live event to life with dynamic visuals and an impactful feel. The audience experienced a seamless integration of content into this larger-than-life video wall. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how we created an epic video wall for our live event. The challenges we faced in this project by matching the stage's width to maintaining the aspect ratio made this a really fun project to be a part of. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for our next video, please let us know in the comments below. See you next time.